Thank you to an astute student who picked up on the error of my original statement. I originally said how much more acidic is black coffee at pH 5 than lemon juice at pH 2. It should correctly be stated how much less acidic. Remember that there's a tenfold difference for every one change in pH. So if we go from 2 to 3, that's 10. From 3 to 4, 10. And from 4 to 5, that's 10x. 10 times 10 times 10 gives the answer. So we would say that black coffee is less acidic, 1,000 times less acidic than lemon juice. We could also say that it's more basic. We could say that. That would be okay to say, but I had originally stated this wrong. And once again, thank you to the student who noticed. The bottom formula is how the body deals with carbon dioxide as a waste product of cellular respiration. Our bodies convert this to a soluble carbonic acid, and then it breaks down or dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. And so my question is, what does the buffer hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate minimize in the blood? What does it do?